Hey there, this is Andrew from ClickFunnels Support Team. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a split test variation for a funnel step and where to track the information about how it performs. Whenever you create a funnel step, it automatically creates a control version, and whenever you want to create another variation, it is going to be called a split test variation. And here is how you have to create it. You will have to click Create Variation, and you will be given a choice of whether to create a duplicate page from the control version of the page of yours or to create it from template. The first option means it is going to create an exact copy of your control version, and it is going to be treated as a split test variation. So if you want to create a clone of the page and after that you want to tweak it, this is the way to go. And the second option is create from template. It is going to be a choice of templates that are both pre-built and also the ones that you have created in your account. So if, for example, you already have an opt-in page template and you want to create a split test variation from it, this is the way to go. So if you create a page from template, you will be given a choice of standard templates and also the templates that you have created for this specific page type. This is happening to the opt-in page, and this is why I'm given all the opt-in page templates. If I were to create a split test variation, for example, for a sales page, I would be given the templates for a sales page and so on and so forth. So let's just go ahead and create a split test variation of an opt-in page using a template. And after that, you will be able to declare a control version or the variation as a winner. If you want to stop the split test, you should simply declare some variation or the control version as a winner by clicking here, and after that it will ask you to confirm that. You will click OK, and the other variation or the control version is going to be deleted after that. In order to set up the split test, you will have to adjust the percentage of traffic going to each and every variation of the page. So if you want to make it 50-50, you can adjust that and click Apply Changes. And it is going to send half of the traffic to the control version and half of the traffic to the variation of this page. If you want to take a look at how those control variation and the split test variation perform, you will have to go to the Stats tab of ours. You will have to click on the Stats tab, and you will be able to click on the name of this funnel step, and it will open up the stats for the control variation and the split test variation of this page. And it will also show you all the archived variations that you have deleted, and it will show you the stats for them. So in here, if you click on the name of this funnel step, you will be able to unfurl all the stats for specific variations, which means the control variation and the split test variation you have right now. You will be able to see the stats for them, and also the stats for the variations that you have archived before. And this is basically how you track the stats of the split test variation and how you create it. If you also want to delete some of them, you can go to page split test settings. For example, you want to delete this page variation. If you want to do that, you can go to page split test settings and click delete page variation, and this page variation will be deleted after that. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you have any questions left, feel free to reach out to our awesome support team and we will give you a hand. Thank you.